to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing something weird AF, like extremely weird. I've never done anything like this on my channel, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I just filmed. I'm doing this intro after I filmed it, and it's gross, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there that it's a really gross video, and if you don't like gross things, you know what, just watch it anyway. Yeah, just watch the video anyway. I'm going to be showing you guys what my face looks like underneath a microscope. Yes, people. Oh, and not just my face. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I have underneath my beauty blenders, my dirty makeup brushes, underneath my hair, my eyebrows, everything. Shout out to Phan. I watched her do this video and I thought it was so genius. So I'm gonna link her video down in the description box below so you guys can also watch that video. But her video was just so interesting to watch that I just had to do it on myself. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy weird videos like this, and I know you do, okay? I know that there's a lot of you out there that are weird just like me and like watching these gross videos, so click it. Come on, I'll wait patiently right here till you give this video a thumbs up. I'm still waiting. Come on. All right, so I think we are ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's move on to the super weird gross video. All right, so we're gonna start off with my bare face. I have no makeup on right now, and I'm honestly so nervous that I'm gonna find something crawling underneath my skin. Also, if you guys follow me on my vlog channel, you guys know that I recently got my skin tags burnt off. Pretty much the area I got them burnt off are dry, but they're still there, they're still healing. So we're gonna go through that and see what we'll find. We're also gonna go through my hair, my eyebrows, and my lips. Ooh. I'm honestly sweating just thinking about like doing this, but we're gonna do it. It's here. As long as we don't find something crawling underneath my skin, I'm good. I'll be good, because that's literally my worst fear. I'm gonna turn on the light. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I don't know, I'm sweating. All right, I'm ready. So we're gonna go through my skin first. Oh my god. I'm already grossed out. We just started. All right, so here's what my skin looks like. I'm gonna do my very best not to shake. I'm literally shaking right now just doing this. Okay, whew. Okay, here goes. Okay, actually my skin doesn't look that bad. I feel like my skin's actually glistening in some sort of way. It's not bad at all. I feel like my skin looks kind of hydrated. I mean, there's obviously a lot of hair going on, but like, who doesn't have hair facial? So that to me is pretty normal. Do you guys see that? There's like glitter on my face. I literally have nothing on my face right now. So it's really interesting to see that my face is like low-key glistening and that there's like specks of like glitters in there. That's so interesting. So I'm gonna use the microscope to focus on like my little scars right here from burning off my skin tags, and let's see. Oh my gosh, there it is. That's one of the areas I got burnt off. Oh my gosh, that's so weird looking. Oh my god. Oh! Wait, what is that? Okay, I think that's just a mole. So we're gonna go ahead and check the other side of my face. Oh my gosh, I feel like this part is a lot worse than the other side. Ooh, ew, what is that? Ooh! Wow, okay, this side of my face for sure looks like it's a lot worse. Like, I feel like there's more sun damage on my face on the right side. Ooh, and there's like spots. There's like brown spots. Oh my gosh, that is nasty. Why is it yellowy and like not healthy looking? That looks rough. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, what's that? I actually have a mole right here. Let's see what that looks like. I also have like a big mole right here, and let's see what that one looks like. Oh, that looks so creepy. That's a whoa, I can't. All right, so now let's check what my eyebrow looks like. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. It looks pretty normal to me. Oh, there's like a gunk on my eyebrow. So now I'm gonna go through my nose and see what we have going on. Wow. I'm pretty sure those tiny little dots are pores. Oh my god. those are some big ass whiteheads. That's nasty. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I am legit so freaking scared. They look like worms. Oh, that black part right there, that's one of the skin tags I burnt off, and it legit looks like, it legit looks like a dead ant or something, like an insect on my face. I'm now gonna move to my hair and let's see. Oh my gosh. Is that like my dry shampoo? Is that what it looks like? Oh, should we do my eyelashes? Let's do my eyelashes real quick. Oh, okay. My eyelashes look pretty clean. All right, so that's it for my bare face. I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on and we're gonna see what my skin looks like under a microscope when, you know, I have all of my makeup on, and then we're also gonna, just for fun, look at like my beauty blender and see what we can find. This is probably the weirdest video I've ever filmed. All right, I am back with a full set of makeup on, as you guys can see. I'm gonna start off with my skin. Oh, do you guys see that? My pores look so clogged. Wow, this is why it's so important to remove your makeup at the end of the day, because look at that. Oh, my whiteheads are covered. They're no longer there. Let's look at, oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and take a look at my eyelashes and let's see what's going on here. Okay. That's not too bad. I'm actually pretty proud of what that looks like. Let's see my lips. Oh, do you guys see that? There's like, my gloss is in like the creases of my lips. Oh, my teeth look so white. I put highlighter on my chin, so let's see what that looks like. Oh, that just looks muddy. Should we do like my eyeball? Is that safe? It's probably not safe, but let's look at it real quick. Okay, my eyeball looks good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, so enough with my skin. We're gonna move on to some clean beauty blenders. These aren't actually like the legit beauty blenders. I don't have a clean one right now. Like I don't have a new beauty blender, so we're gonna test. Oh my gosh. And then after this, we're gonna move on to like my dirty beauty blender. So let's do it. So here is the Never Been Used Beauty Sponge. Okay, that looks pretty good. Super clean. Ooh, there's like, I don't know, I think that those are just holes. I don't think that's like dirt or anything like that. So now we're gonna move on to my actual beauty blender. This is what I just used to do my makeup, and I've had this for like maybe, I wanna say 3 weeks now. Every time I use it, I do my best to clean it, but you know how it goes. Beauty blenders are just like notorious for like, they're just always dirty no matter how much you clean them because they're sponges. I'm gonna do the dark side first. Oh, actually, that's not too crazy bad. That looks pretty normal to me. We're gonna switch to the other side where I have all of like the white stuff from the powder. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is where all the tea is. This is, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't even know. That looks like spoiled cereal or something. All right, so now we're moving on to this extremely dirty beauty blender that I just found. I don't even know how long I've had this. This looks like it's been used and abused, and I don't even remember the last time I used a beauty blender that's this color. I'm usually using black beauty blenders these days, so I feel like this was from last year or something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like the tip part is probably the worst part. Look at that. This was a pink beauty blender and now it turned into like this muddy beige color, and oh, that's nasty. Oh, I don't even know. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and cut it so we can see what's like inside of it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and cut it right in the middle and see what happens. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's the actual color of it. Look how, this is nasty, you guys. Look at the difference. Let's see, let us investigate and see what is inside of this beauty blender. Okay, wow. Can we just like look at the difference though? Here's like the nasty part and here is what it's supposed to look like. That's some, ugh, very nasty. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I literally have not washed this brush in a really long time. It's really disgusting, so let's check it out. Yeah, that is not supposed to look like that. This was like, I think the tip was supposed to be white. I can't remember, but it's definitely not supposed to look like that. It has so much makeup in it. Oh my gosh, that's nasty. Yeah, I definitely need to like either clean and disinfect this brush, or I need to throw it away because that's gross. Oh, it's like collecting dust and like, oh, it's just getting worse and worse. Let's check this one out. This is Makeup by Mario's collaboration with KKW Beauty, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like underneath the microscope. I'm gonna go for this blue one because, I don't know, I just wanna see it first. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Let's go for this brown one. Wow. All right, moving on. We didn't see anything disgusting, so. All right, hopefully I don't regret this. We're gonna look at my fingers and see what's in the crevices of my fingernails. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is disgusting. It looks so dry. I definitely need to put lotion on or something. Just a fair warning, I did just do my nails before I filmed this video, so maybe that's why it's looking dry. Okay, don't judge me. Do not judge my fingers. Oh, what's that? Why is there a black thing there? Is that a mole? What the heck is that? Oh, I think that's from like the KKW Beauty eyeshadow palette. And I think that's like foundation and just makeup. That's gross. I need to wash my hands. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see a part 2 of this, and let me know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see my pets, like what my pets look like underneath a microscope? Let me know down in the comment section below because I will definitely be looking at your suggestions. Be sure to click right here and right here to watch more of my videos, and you can click on my face to subscribe to my channel and join the family. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.